So I have a joke for you. Why did the sheep cross the road? To go to the barbers. To go to the barbers. Hello, Akwaaba. Now, what is saying? Minim say nyame adom ohuye. Today's lesson is about farm animals. We're going to learn the names of some farm animals in Chi. Animals in Chi is emwa. And so today we're going to look at some farm animals. And when we say farm in Chi is efuo. Efuo. Farm is efuo. Okay. So let's look at some animals. Sheep. Sheep. Okay. Sheep in Chi is Ojang. Ojang. Sheep in Chi is Ojang. The next animal is the woof woof. The dog. Dog in Chi is Okramine. Okramine. Okay. Okramine. And the goat. The goat in Chi is Aponche. Aponche or Abreche. Abreche. That is the goat. Aponche or Abreche. The next one is the pig. Oink oink. Pig in Chi is Prako. 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 Pig in Chi is Prako. Prako. Okay. Then there is the cat. Cat. Cat in Chi is Okra. Okra. Or Ejinamwa. 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 Cat is Okra or Ejinamwa. Duck. Duck. Quack quack. Quack quack. Duck in Chi is double. Double. Double double. Duck in Chi is double double. Double double. Okay. Horse. Horse. Nay. Horse in Chi is Ponko. Ponko. Horse in Chi is Ponko. Ponko. And then when we come to the chicken, in Chi, chicken is Akoko. So when we say Akoko, it's for both the male and the female chicken, right? It's just Akoko. Chicken. Akoko. Chicken. Akoko. But the female, which is the hen is Akoko bedie. Hen. Akoko bedie. The hen is Akoko bedie. The rooster the rooster or the cock is akuko nini. Akuko nini. Akuko nini. Okay? So the rooster, akuko nini. The hen is akuko bedie. But when you're talking about chicken in general, we say akuko. Akuko. Okay. Then the cow. The last animal we are looking at is the cow. Moo. Cow in Chi is nanchie. Nanchie. Cow in Chi is nanchie. Nanchie. Okay. So now I'm going to say it, then you say it after me. Okay. Sheep. Odwain. Your turn. Sheep. Odwain. Dog. Okramine. Your turn. Dog. Okramine. Goat. Aponche. Your turn. Goat. Aponche. Goat. Aponche. Goat. Aponche. Goat. Abrechie. Goat. Abrechie. Your turn. Goat. Abrechie. Good job. Pig. Preco. Your turn. Pig. Preco. Pig. Preco. Your turn. Pig. Preco. Okay. Cat. Ejinamwa. Your turn. Cat. Ejinamwa. Cat. Ejinamwa. Your turn. Cat. Ejinamwa. Okay. Duck. Double, double. Your turn. Duck. Double, double. Duck. Double, double. Your turn. Duck. Double, double. Good. Horse. Ponko. Your turn. Horse. Ponko. Horse. Ponko. Your turn. Horse. Ponko. Chicken. Akoko. Your turn. Chicken. Akoko. Chicken. Akoko. Chicken. Akoko. Hen. Akoko bedie. Hen. Akoko bedie. Hen. Akoko bedie. Hen. Akoko bedie. My turn. Rooster. Akoko nini. Your turn. Rooster. Akoko nini. My turn. Rooster. Akoko nini. Your turn. Rooster. Akoko nini. The last one is cow. Nenchie. Your turn. Cow. Nenchie. My turn. Cow. Nenchie. Your turn. Cow. Nenchie. Okay. So you know, we have Old MacDonald Had a Farm. That nursery song, right? Yeah. And it goes like this in English. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baba here and a baba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere baba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. So we just keep putting in the farm animals and singing and making their sounds, right? Okay, so I have translated this nursery song into our Chi. So we've got our own Chi version. Okay, so I'm going to read it, then I will sing it to you, and then we sing it together. Okay, so I will read. Penny McDonald na owo efuo. E-I-E-I-O. So Penny is old. Someone who is old, we say he is openini. Okay, so we are saying Penny McDonald na owo efuo. Penny McDonald had a farm. Old McDonald had a farm. Okay, farm is efuo. Farm is efuo. Okay, so let me read it again. Penny McDonald na owo efuo. E-I-E-I-O. Na nefuo num na owo odwan. E-I-E-I-O. Ode ba ha. Ba ho. Ba bebiara. Penny McDonald na owo efuo. E-I-E-I-O. Okay, so I used Odran to read the whole song in Chi. Odran is sheep. Ba. Okay, we can sing for all the animals, but we're not going to sing them all. You can put them in the song at your own time, okay, so that it will just stick in your head. Okay, so I'm going to sing it. I will use the sheep, the dog, and the goat, and maybe you and I will have another animal. Okay, so my turn. I'm going to sing it. Penny McDonald nowhere full. E-I-E-I-O. Na nefonum na owo dwan. E-I-E-I-O. Ode baba ha, baba ho, baba babyara. Penny McDonald nowhere full. E-I-E-I-O. Penny McDonald nowhere full. E-I-E-I-O. Na nefonum na owo krama. E-I-E-I-O. Ode woof woof ha, woof woof ho, woof 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 babyara. Penny McDonald nowhere full. E-I-E-I-O. Penny McDonald nowhere full. E-I-E-I-O. Na nefonum na owa punching. E-I-E-I-O. Ode bebe ha, bebe ho, bebe babyara. Penny McDonald nowhere full. E-I-E-I-O. Penny McDonald nowhere full. E-I-E-I-O. Na nefonum na owo double. E-I-E-I-O. Ode quack ha, quack ho, quack babyara. Penny McDonald nowhere full. E-I-E-I-O. So that is the song in Chi. So why don't you join me? We are going to use the cat and the horse to sing. Okay, the cat first, then the horse. And cat in Chi is okra or ejinamwa. That's right. We are not going to use okra. We are going to use ejinamwa, okay, in the song. Then we move on to ponko. That's the horse. Okay, so let's sing it together. Penny McDonald nowhere full. E-I-E-I-O. Na nefonum na owo ejinamwa. E-I-E-I-O. Ode meow ha, meow ho, meow babyara. Penny McDonald nowhere full. E-I-E-I-O. Penny McDonald nowhere for. Iya, na nefonum na owo. Ponko, iya, odi nay ha, nay ho, nay babyara. Penny McDonald nowhere for. Iya, we did it. Okay, so as I always say, if you think you haven't got it, don't worry. Just go back and watch the whole video again. Practice until you are good to go. Okay, to move on. Then you can move on. Well. We have come to the end of another lesson. And let me ask you, how do we say horse in Chi? We just sang it, remember? Horse in Chi is Ponko. Yes, Ponko. Well done. What about, okay, let me see. What is double in English? Double in English is quack. Yes, duck. Good job. Fantastic. Okay. So please, as I said, practice makes perfect. Let me also thank you all for coming. I hope to see you another time. Let us all share for our friends to join us. If you watched this video but you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Me pacho subscribe it. Yes. If you haven't yet subscribed, me pacho subscribe. And if you have subscribed already, me da si bebre, me da se pa. And I thank you all for coming. Meaning say we will meet again. Meaning say yebeshia bium. I know we will meet again. So join me in our next lesson. Etreyo. You are dismissed. But before you go, let me say this joke. Why did the cow cross the road? Do you know? To go to the movies. Get it? Movies. Bye-bye.